All right, here we go. Nicholas doing a box of Clearly and a box of Gold Label. We'll do Clearly first and finish with the new stuff. Good luck, brother. Here we go. Tyler Glasnow rookie autograph out of Clearly. Glasnow. And the new stuff. We'll ship it all, Nicholas. Here we go. Got a Albert Pujols black. There's 2 or 3 numbered ones typically in a box. Ryan Braun black. Uh-oh. Nice, dude. Random box. You got a case hit. They're not like huge, but there's only one per case, so it's kind of cool. Ricky Henderson to 75. Legends relic. Pulled Ozzy in our first case. There's a Ricky. Little bonus hit. Trey Turner black. DeGrom for the Mets black. Here, let's put that. I'm going to bet a numbered card here. Nope. This might be our first one yet without a, unless it's in here with the frame. Nope, not a numbered card in there. Here comes our frame. Goes this way. Lewis Brinson to 400 rookie autograph. Nicholas, there you have it. Appreciate it, brother.